Hi, I'm Danny Lipford from Today's Homeowner. If you're like a lot of people, you don't like spiders, especially when they're crawling around your home. The truth is, spiders are everywhere. Outside in the crawl space, in the woodpile, under the eaves, and inside they lurk in dark corners, like at the back of cabinets and even behind the toilet. Now there's a simple way to eliminate spiders wherever they live. Miss Muffet's Revenge is formulated to kill and repel spiders for up to 12 months inside your home and around the exterior. Miss Muffet's Revenge comes as a ready-to-use solution. You just spray today and brush away the cobwebs tomorrow. Best of all, it's really easy to use. Miss Muffet's Revenge comes with an innovative precision sprayer designed to eliminate spiders in hard-to-reach areas. The stream setting lets you spray up to 10 feet, perfect for reaching eaves, gutters, light fixtures, and other overhead areas. No ladder required. The spray setting delivers a wide band of product so you can easily and quickly protect your foundation, crawl space, and gardens. Just apply a 12-inch band along the exterior perimeter of your home. Spray until slightly wet without soaking. For best results, apply Miss Muffet's Revenge on a clear, dry day when wind and rain aren't in the forecast. Now inside, apply a 4-inch band in areas where spiders are a reoccurring problem. Inside, Miss Muffet's Revenge will last for a full year. Outside in the elements, you may need to reapply periodically. So if you're serious about getting rid of spiders, pick up a bottle of Miss Muffet's Revenge Spider Spray, my favorite spider repellent for total home protection.